In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on your Windows. So let's get started. So we need to press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. And here you need to type ncpa.cpl. That's ncpa.cpl and click on OK. And you will be directed into the network connections window. So locate your Wi-Fi, and then what you can do is you need to make a right click on it and select disable. So disable it for some time. In this way, this is going to refresh it. And after some time, you just need to make a right click again, select enable. And you will be reconnected again into your connection. This is now identifying, and that's it, you're connected. For the next method, you just need to close this one. We also need to make sure our network adapter or the driver is updated. So make a right click at the start button, and then you have to select from here device manager. Here in the device manager window, you need to simply locate network adapters. Okay, so once you find network adapters, locate your network adapter. So how will you know that that is your network adapter? Press the Windows key and letter R button together. Type ncpa.cpl. Hit enter. So we are Realtek PCLE adapter. And here it is. So make a right click, select update driver. Click on browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you have to choose the latest version of the or the latest model of the driver. So if you are having a trouble with the first one, you can try with the second one or third one. If you have more than two or more than one available drivers on your computer, and you just have to click on next, and that Windows will successfully update your drivers. And after that, you just need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.